Galit talaga ako. Talaga napamura ako. Napakasinungaling nitong taon to. Because first of all, hindi ko siya kilala. And I have never met that guy. Just common sense. Will you think I will be actively participating in this investigation na nandun siya, nakilala ko siya, nagbibigay siya ng pera sa akin? That's common sense. I should have abstained from that hearing, from this hearing. Malakas ang loob ko dahil I did not commit any illegal act.
Sir, claim niya dumaan kay, saan claim niya ay si District Engineer Alcantara ang nagsabi?
Si District Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dininay niya yung kay Senator Joel, dininay din niya yung sa akin. Oh.
Sir, kinukonekan, makakalala daw kayo nung Maynila pa.
Sino? No. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
May picture kayo ni